the United Nations, there's research I want to share with you very quickly. That there's an estimate that about 4 billion people that live outside of the umbrella of the protection of the rule of law. And these people often struggle for basic human rights. We, therefore, can see that what the rule of law does is that it provides, conversely, the absence of the rule of law as a mechanism for the delivery of human rights often comes coupled with widespread bribery, corruption, poverty, inequality, violence, war, and insecurity, as we've seen in a lot of economies around the world. Now, to get a better view of the social and economic impact of strengthening the rule of law, please allow me just to take you very quickly through some correlated data that we got from the World Justice Project, the World Bank, and Transparency International. And, okay, so that slide has moved on a bit. So if you look there, that's a bit of an eye test. I'm sorry about the size of the slide that you see there. But essentially, what it shows us is that a stronger rule of law normally means a higher GDP per capita, okay? And what this slide shows is that basically on the bottom axis of that graph that you see there is that that shows the rule of law index score, okay? It goes from, it relates to fewer deaths. Wherever you find higher rule of law scores, there will be a reduction in the death of children born within for every 1,000 births that are there. So if you go to the next slide, we'll see another graph there, which I can distinguish from my colors. I'm male, we're known to be colorblind. But if you look at there, their rule of law index there is around 0.9, and their deaths per 1,000 births is about, it's sitting below 4. So they only